Hello everyone, Ketan Mistry here. And welcome to my new channel, GK Quiz. On this channel, I will share multiple choice general knowledge questions with answers on various topics. Whether you are preparing for competitive exams or just want to brush up on your general knowledge, I have got you covered. So, hit that subscribe button and join me on my journey to make learning fun and engaging. So, let's start today's first video. Today, I will share with you some common multiple choice questions and answers related to computer. First question. What is the main function of a computer? Your options are A. To process data, B. To store data, C. To display data, D. All of the above. The correct answer is D. All of the above. Second question. What are the two main parts of a computer? Your options are A. Hardware and software, B. Data and program, C. Input and output, D. Processor and memory. The correct answer is A. Hardware and software. Third question. What is converted into information in a computer? Your options are A. Numbers, B. Processor, C. Input, D. Data. The correct answer is D. Data. Fourth question. What are the input devices of a computer? Your options are A. Keyboard, mouse, microphone, and scanner, B. Printer, monitor, speakers, and hard drive, C. All of the above, D. None of the above. The correct answer is A. Keyboard, mouse, microphone, and scanner. Fifth question. What are the output devices of a computer? Your options are A. Keyboard, mouse, microphone, and scanner, B. Printer, monitor, speakers, and hard drive, C. All of the above, D. None of the above. The correct answer is B. Printer, monitor, speakers, and hard drive. Sixth question. What is the most important part of a computer? Your options are A. Processor, B. Memory, C. Hard disk, D. Operating system. The correct answer is A. Processor. Seventh question. What are the two main types of computers? Your options are A. Mainframe and microcomputer, B. Laptop and desktop, C. Web browser and email client, D. All of the above. The correct answer is A. Mainframe and microcomputer. Eighth question. What is a computer virus? Your options are A. A program that damages a computer system, B. A program that infects a computer system, C. A program that infiltrates a computer system, D. All of the above. The correct answer is A. A program that damages a computer system. Ninth question. What security measures can be taken to protect data on a computer? Your options are A. Use of antivirus software, B. Use of passwords, C. Use of a firewall, D. All of the above. The correct answer is D. All of the above. 10th question. In which areas are computers used? Your options are A. Education, B. Business. C. Entertainment. D. All of the above. The correct answer is D. All of the above. Thank you for watching my video. I hope you found it informative and enjoyable. I'm always looking for ways to improve my videos, so please let me know if you have any feedback. I'll see you next time.